Alex, we need to buy some items from the supermarket today.
Really? What do we need to buy?
Milk, vegetables, fruits, and some bread. Can you come home early from the office today?
I'm not sure if I can come very early.
Why? Is there a lot of work today?
I need to go to the bank today.
Oh, what do you need to do there?
I have to pay some bills.
Which bills do you need to pay?
The electricity and internet bills.
That sounds important.
Yes, they are due tomorrow. But I will try to leave the office early.
That would really help.
I will go to the bank first. If I pay the bills early, I will call you.
Okay, that sounds good.
Please send me the list of necessary items.
I will write the list right now.
I can buy the items from the shop. On my way home.
Thank you, Alex. That will save a lot of time. I'm making the shopping list now.
Great. Please include all the necessary items.
First, we need milk.
Okay, I'll buy 2 cartons.
We also need eggs.
How many should I buy?
1 tray will be enough.
All right. What else do we need?
Some fresh vegetables.
Which vegetables?
Tomatoes, potatoes, and carrots.
Okay, I'm noting them down.
We also need bread.
White bread or brown bread?
Brown bread is healthier.
Good choice.
Please buy some fruits too.
Apples and bananas?
Yes, the children like them.
Anything else?
That's all for now.
Perfect. Send me the list on my phone. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. How can I help you?
I want to pay some bills.
Certainly. Which bills would you like to pay?
The electricity and internet bills.
Do you have the bill documents?
Yes, here they are.
Thank you. Let me check them.
Sure.
The total amount is 320 reals.
Okay, I will pay by card.
Please insert your card in the machine.
All right,
Please enter your PIN.
done.
The payment is successful.
Great.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
Have a nice day. You too. Hello, Jane. I just finished at the bank.
That was quick.
Yes, there was no long queue today.
That's good news.
I paid all the bills.
Great.
Did you send the shopping list?
Yes, I sent it on WhatsApp.
Let me check.
Did you receive it?
Yes, I see it now.
Please check if everything is clear.
Yes, it's very clear.
Don't forget the fruits.
I won't forget.
The children are waiting for snacks.
I will buy some biscuits too.
They will love that.
I'm going to the supermarket now.
Okay, drive safely.
See you soon.
See you.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Welcome.
I need some groceries.
Sure. What would you like to buy?
I need milk first.
The milk is in aisle 3.
Thank you.
Do you need anything else?
Yes, eggs and bread.
They are next to the dairy section.
Great.
Are you looking for fruits as well?
Yes, apples and bananas.
They are very fresh today.
That's good.
Anything else, sir?
Some vegetables too.
Tomatoes and potatoes are on that shelf.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
I'll go to the counter now.
Have a nice day.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, I did.
Please place the items on the counter.
Sure.
I'll scan them now.
Okay.
The total amount is 95 reals.
I'll pay by card.
Please tap your card here.
Done.
The payment is successful.
Great.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you for your service.
You're welcome.
Have a good evening. Hello, Jane.
Hi, Alex.
I finished the shopping.
That was fast.
Yes, the store wasn't crowded.
Did you buy everything on the list?
Yes, milk, eggs, vegetables, and fruits.
Did you buy bread?
Yes, brown bread.
Perfect.
I also bought biscuits for the children.
They will be very happy.
I'm heading home now.
Drive carefully.
I will.
Dinner will be ready soon.
That sounds great.
The children are asking about you?
Tell them I'm coming.
Okay.
See you soon.
See you. Welcome home, Alex.
Thank you.
Did you bring all the groceries?
Yes, everything is here.
That's wonderful.
The supermarket had fresh vegetables.
Great.
I also bought fruits for the children.
They will enjoy them.
The bank work was quick today.
That's lucky.
Yes, there was no long line.
Thank you for doing all the work.
No problem.
Let's put the groceries in the kitchen.
Sure.
I will start preparing dinner.
Wait, Jane, I will help you.
Are you sure, Alex? You must be tired after work.
I'm a little tired, but I can still help you.
It's okay. I can prepare dinner myself.
No, we can cook together.
You should take some rest first.
Don't worry about me.
Really, you look tired today.
Maybe a little.
Then please sit down and relax.
Are you sure you don't need help?
Yes, I will manage. I'm making some tea for you.
That sounds nice.
Tea will help you feel fresh.
Thank you, Jane.
After you drink the tea, you will feel better.
Then I can help you later.
Yes, that would be great.
You are very caring.
And you are very hardworking. If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps us create more helpful videos for you.